What's up, my stitches? It's Z here, and welcome to my channel and my debut tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these super cute bohemian scrunchies. It's a new take on the traditional scrunchies that we've been seeing, either made out of velvet, faux fur, or just regular worsted weight yarn. Today I'm going to be using some yarn from Darn Good Yarn. These are super easy, very beginner friendly project for you all. So with that, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. To complete this project today, you'll need chiffon ribbon from Darn Good Yarn, and I am so excited to be working with this company today because they are more than just a yarn company. They don't just care about the quality of their yarn, which, let me tell you, is amazing. They come in such beautiful colors and they all work together, and it's warm and just delightful. But also they care about our earth, our planet, and the people on it and the people who work for them. So they use reclaimed, recycled materials, and they have saved more than 1 million pounds of waste from reaching landfills. And they work with the people who work for their company, and they strive to give them fair wages, and it's just amazing. So not only will you need your Darn Good Yarn chiffon ribbon, but also you will need an 8mm crochet hook and an empty scrunchie. There will be a discount code in the description box below. It is 15% off using Millennial Maker 15. All right, so let's get into the tutorial. All right, to begin the work on your scrunchie, you first need to make a slip knot onto the scrunchie. I'm going to make sure I leave a little bit of a tail here, and we are going to create that slip knot. And then I'm going to make a single crochet onto the scrunchie. And to create the scrunchie effect, or the ridges on the scrunchie, I'm going to pull up a long loop and make a chain. So yarn over and pull through my loop. And then I am going to make another single crochet right next to the last single crochet that I made. And then you will start to see these bumps form onto the yarn. I'm sorry, these ridges and bumps form onto the scrunchie. Again, I'm going to pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through, make a single crochet directly next to the single crochet I made before. And to give you guys a tip to hide the tail of yarn, just crochet over it like I'm doing. Of course, while you're working, you kind of want to just keep pulling and scrunching up the yarn that's on your scrunchie, and then you can see that the ridges are starting to form and make that scrunchie look that we're looking for. And I'm going to complete that all the way around. I'm going to make an extended long chain and then a single crochet right next to the single crochet I made previously, all the way around the scrunchie. And you want to keep doing it until it's really bulky on the scrunchie. Your stitches, they're really close together and they're kind of clumped. So I'll come back when this is finished and I'll show you how to bind it off. All right, everybody, so I have finished the scrunchie and I'm back to show you how to bind it off. Right now I'm showing you how the scrunchie should look after you are finished putting quite a many stitches inside or onto the scrunchie. Again, you wanted to put quite a bit in there so that they're all bunched up and you get the scrunchy vibe. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is insert your hook into that first stitch that was made from the scrunchy round, and then we're going to pull through both those loops on the hook. And to be extra secure, I'm going to make another slip stitch on top of the slip stitch I just made. And I'm going to be getting my scissors here and cutting off the excess chiffon ribbon. After that, I'm going to just pull it through. You could cut off that last little bit of tail, but to be extra secure, you could also weave in the end, which is what I chose to do here. After you have weaved to the end through the stitches made on the scrunchie, you have completed your boho scrunchie. Alright, so I'm nearly finished here. Alright, she is completed. She is a complete scrunchie. Yes. Alright, I'm going to show you the complete set that I made. Here it is. These are all the scrunchies that I made from the variegated type chiffon yarn that you can get from Darn Good Yarns. They come in a complimentary set of colors that are quite vibrant and juicy and great for summer and spring. There they are, all stacked up on my arm, super cute. And of course, guys, if you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe. And if you'd like to follow along with this tutorial, you can get a discount for the yarn that I use using Millennial Maker 15. That link is down in the description box. Thanks again. Bye.